Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to find Apple ID password on iPhone on iOS devices in iOS 18 or later devices. So how can I find? So keep watching this video until the end. So first of all, open Safari on your iPhone and open Google, and here's the interface. Simply click on top right corner, manage your Google account. Now wait for some second again. Now here's the options, password manager. Now here's all the saved password in my Google account is available. So I hope your Apple account password will be available in this section. So here is my Apple account password is here. Now you can view Apple account password after your iPhone security, like unlock password you can see appears on screen. So here is the second method to find your Apple ID password on your iPhone. Open setting, Apple ID name, and iCloud, and click on passwords. Guys, if this iPhone is already turned on before logging your Apple ID, so now that open password application on your iPhone, enter your iPhone passcode, and guys, if previous sync this iPhone is turned on before logging your Apple ID, then your Apple account password will be automatically saved here. So guys, if it was not already turned on, your password will not be saved here. So by this method you will find your Apple account password on your iPhone. By this method, I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.